Hello everyone guys, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Store from opening automatically or running in the background when you don't need it. So this is going to be a very simple tutorial for you. So stop the Microsoft Store from opening automatically. So first you have to go to Start menu, then you have to select Settings option here. Go to Settings option, then you have to go to the Privacy option here. Click on privacy option, then in the left side in the app permission here you have to find background apps here. So scroll down, so there it is, the background apps. So you have to click the background apps option. So you can see the background apps are all the background apps are here. So Microsoft Store, you have to find the Microsoft Store here. There it is. So you just have to toggle it off here, just like Microsoft Solitary Collection I off here. So this will stop the Microsoft Store from opening automatically or running in the background when you don't need it. It will just eating your CPU or memory usage. So just toggle it off here, and that's it. And you can just restart your computer. So you don't have to save anything, or so you just have to close from the settings here. So that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.